Hey, hi, good evening, everyone. So, I don't know what I am going to share and tell about motivational, but I have had a lot of experience in my life, so I will share my experience. So, how I got motivation to do something in my life. So, first of all, the better you become, the more lonelier you become in the world. जितना अच्छा बन जाओगे उतने ज़्यादा अकेले हो जाओगे दुनिया में, है ना? तो there were my many friends. They used to drink. है ना? I was simple guy, so if we are a poor, they said we don't have enough money, we can't arrange you like cold drink something. You go home. So you will be alone if you are good, because there is a reason. एक ही चंद्रमा, एक ही सूर्य, एक ही जगत में रहा, तो एक ही है जो होगा अच्छा, ठीक है? तो मीन्स देयर इज ओनली वन सन, वन इज I will use translator because if it comes to motivational, we can't be motivated in English because we understand Hindi. So I will use translate Hindi to English and English to Hindi. So one day my friend and I went to hospital to see a knowing lady. She had a cancer. I knew, but I thought she would be all right. So when I met her, I said, "Hey, don't worry, you will be all right. No, you don't need to worry about." My friend was checking her report, everything. So when we came out to the room, he said, "Why did you tell her a lie? She is going to die." But I said, "What the hell are you talking about? She's going to die." I thought she would be okay, no? She had been operated, so she would be all right. But there was a situation, so I want to ask this question from every motivational in the world. What can we say that person who is going to die? One day we are here, and sometime we ourselves and our family member could be there. So what can we say? I didn't get any answer of this. I saw many video of motivational who's going to die. What will say? You are going to die. What can we say? Yeah, you will be all right. But he and she will be going through many problems. So cancer like this is a disease. When anyone suffers, who can tell us about which situation he or she is going through? So if I am here, let's suppose if I get this kind of things, so I used to think many times what would I say in this situation? I would say, "माँ, तू माँ, है ना तू कैंसर, तू माँ." I will not die myself. मैं खुद से नहीं बोलूँगा तू माँ, क्योंकि because जब हम जीते हैं ना जीने के लिए, तो हम मरते हैं. जिस दिन हम मरने के लिए जीने लगेंगे ना, कोई नहीं मार सकता दुनिया में. So this is the thing. If you get some sorrowness, ना something, you always live for waiting for guy. कि वो मारेगा. अगर कोई बीमारी है वो मारेगा, कोई दुख है तू मार. Someday will happen something right, and everything will be fine, and you will be. So there was a situation. I was sick seriously, and I could not walk even in some distance. You know, when I walk, I took rest. So that time my mother said, "How would you handle everything, your job, your English thing, and everything?" I said, "I don't know," because yeah, that time it was a very, you know, I could not understand what would what will do and what can we do here. So I used to listen music kind of things. So there was a situation. I went to doctor. I said, "Hey, you write me a injection of power." I went to take many kind of power injection. Hey, you put me through this because I want to do my work. Because I was not able to do any work. So yeah, that's the thing. There are many things we can't do in our life, but life, and there's one simple thing. You know, someone say कि solowness is written in your life clearly. You will get solowness throughout your life, like me. Because since childhood, I have been facing a lot of issues physically, mentally, and emotionally. So what we can do here, any motivational can't help you if everything is written in your life. But you can fight with this. यदि कर्म तेरे पावन है सभी, डूबेगी नहीं तेरी नाव कभी. So your life boat is not gonna sink if your all deeds are good. So you write, you always fight with your deeds. You always do good deeds in your life. You will never defeat and you will never lose any fight in your life. Because if यदि तेरे भाग में है पत्थर, तो पत्थर भी खिल जाएगा because of your deeds. You do only good deeds. तो भगवान भी देखते हैं ना, तेरी श्रद्धा सोना या सोने का पानी, तो देख ले तू, है ना. So get the thing. I always, because you can't do anything if you don't have emotions, or you are with your parents. So, and you will not get motivational because your parents. So you need to listen this kind of music, then you will get motivational. So you have two power in the superpower in the world. You can fight with anything. Even God is trying to give you solace, and God wants to do something wrong. First your parents, mother and father. Second your deeds, good deeds. Because if your mother and father loves is true on the earth, so nothing will happen with you. Okay? You know, but because when we are our parents, we always think about the other things. That's the main problem of our solowness in our life. Because we are going away from our parents, our things. We always think about the other person, other things, and we don't focus about our parents. So we must need to understand about our parents and always, because motivational is a temporary thing. It will help you only for 1 or 2 days, but if you realize what you means, how can you fight with all solowness and all problem? There's only one thing you are doing. Thank you so much.